Hey everyone, today I have created another cool chatbot that is basically set up on Slack. So whenever you send a message on Slack to the chatbot, it will give you a response. So let's say you are asking about your customer refund policy, or how many leads do you have in HubSpot, or whatever the information you will have about your company. We will feed that here in the AI agent. So let's say you send a message that is always a trigger, and then we are giving the response to Slack HTTP request, and then we have AI agent where we feed up some prompt about the company. This is just a dummy prompt. You can use it according to your services. So let's say you are a knowledgeable, professional, and friendly sports specialist for company name, and then I can share this prompt. I just got the hello ChatGPT to create this, but yeah, this is working very well. And then this output I am giving it to the next agent, and the question and answer we are getting from this agent, and then we are putting the response in send a Slack message, and this is the response of your question. So you can chat directly through Slack now. So get this automation from me. If you want similar things, similar automation or something like this, please hit me on WhatsApp or on my Gmail. I'm always here to help you. Thank you.